Are you running Windows 11 Home and wishing you had the professional features of Windows 11 Pro? Features like BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, Hyper-V virtualization, the group policy editor, and enhanced security options? Today, I'm going to show you a method to upgrade from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let's upgrade to Pro. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings, or click Start, Settings, Gear icon. In the left sidebar, click System if it's not already selected, then click Activation. This opens the Windows Activation page. Here you will see your current edition, Windows 11 Home, and your activation status, Windows is activated with a digital license. On the Activation page, look for Upgrade your edition of Windows. If you already have a Windows 11 Pro product key, you can click Change Product Key, or Change, then enter your Pro license key. But in this method, we will use a generic key provided by Microsoft to switch from Home to Pro. Important, this generic key is not a real license key. It only helps Windows change the edition, and then Windows will activate only if you already have a valid Pro license linked to your device or Microsoft account. Before entering the generic key, we need to disconnect from the Internet. Open Control Panel, search for it in the Start menu. Go to Network and Internet, view Network Status and Tasks. Then click Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click Ethernet, click Disable. If you were using Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi adapter the same way. Now go back to Settings, System, Activation. Click Change Product Key. You can find Microsoft generic keys online by searching Windows 11 Home to Pro generic key. Here is the official generic key used for Pro Edition. Click Next, then click Start. Wait while Windows prepares the upgrade. Your PC will restart automatically. After restarting, you may see a success notification, but you might also see an error like, "We can't activate this device." That's normal for now because we were offline. Now we will turn the Internet back on. Open Control Panel again. Go to Network and Internet, view Network Status and Tasks, then click Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click Ethernet, Enable, or Wi-Fi, Enable. If you were using Wi-Fi, now go back to Settings, System, Activation. Click Troubleshoot. If your device already has a valid Windows 11 Pro license, Windows should activate automatically. If activation still fails, it means you probably don't have a Pro license yet. In that case, you will need to purchase a Windows 11 Pro license. Go back to Activation, change Product Key, enter your real Pro key manually. Now, I want to hear from you. Did you upgrade to Windows 11 Pro successfully? Which features are you most excited about? BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, Hyper-V virtualization? Drop your experience in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials, tips, and guides. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And if you want to get the most out of Windows 11 Pro, check out my other videos on setting up BitLocker encryption, configuring remote desktop securely, and getting started with Hyper-V virtualization. Links are in the description and in the cards above. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Windows 11 Pro features. See you in the next video.